Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Janika. First of all, I want to thank you very much for the first 100 subscribers and now more. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, I appreciate if you do. Just press that button, subscribe. This video is going to be about our day out testing the 3 drones. The 3 drones are Phantom 3 Standard, the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Air. So let's see this video together. Hope you enjoyed watching. For more information about the equipment, please visit the link below in the description. And don't forget to check out my blog. Thank you for next time. Bye bye.